We are here, and this is Porky Brewster. Well, I guess you can call him Porky Brewster. Porky Brewster and the Porky Cream Gang. Porky Brewster and the Porky Cream Gang. And we'll expand their stuff out when they get bigger. Right now, we're gonna keep it like this until they get bigger, then I'll expand it out to here. And then once they get a little bit bigger, I'll expand it all the way out to the end of there. So my objective is I'm gonna have pigs along the back side of this hog parlor, and then I'm gonna put some in it to help clean it up once I burn inside it. And I'm gonna get inside here while I still got some cold days left and cut all the little smaller trees out. And I don't know, I'm gonna have to get with a tree dude to see if he can cut the big ones out so they can so we can get them out of here and I can make something happen. So there you go. What the Porky Cream Gang. So the Porky Cream Gang and Porky Brewster. You know, like Punky Brewster, Porky Brewster. Yeah, appreciate the likes. So we're gonna have to get like a real little trough thing up. And like I said, we'll expand them. You know, we got Porky Brewster.